Alright guys, so after we've seen right now Pepe Coin bouncing over 80% this week right now guys, this tells me guys that the meme coin currencies are about to follow Pepe Coin here. And in today's video we're gonna look at Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, and we're gonna see what are the next price targets here for Shiba Inu and Dogecoin guys. So without no further ado, let's get into it. So right now guys, as you can see here, these are the top meme tokens by market cap, and right now Dogecoin is standing at that $10 billion market cap, Shiba Inu 4.6 billion, and Pepe Coin right now is closing in onto that $500 million, up 83% last 7 days, and Shiba Inu guys up 12% and Dogecoin up 19%. So this recent meme coins rally guys started with Floki. Now Floki so far is up 100%, which is impressive, and it's unfortunately right now too late to jump into Floki. And right now, as you can see guys, Floki started the rally, then Pepe Coin, and right now we are seeing Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are the laggers. And that's the point of this video right now guys, is to look into Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and try to catch some of those pumps that are possibly coming here towards Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. So right now you can see here, we're gonna start with Dogecoin. So Dogecoin has an interesting chart guys, and this is the daily chart. So what Dogecoin likes to do is this guys. So the price starts trending higher and then squeezing before we see those rallies here, and the same thing happened here and then happened here again. So also as well guys, Dogecoin here is breaking above this multi-year downtrend. Now this dating back from May 2021, or basically the all-time high on Dogecoin, and we've seen now since then Dogecoin has just been going down. But recently as well guys, we could see there is a support here on Dogecoin, which since we've been around this area guys, Dogecoin has just been going sideways, which is a sign of a strong support here on Dogecoin, which is as well a sign of a lot of people interested to buy Dogecoin around these levels here guys, around these prices, around that 55 level here on Dogecoin. A lot of interest around this area on Dogecoin. We can see here this being a support for a long time, as you can see here guys, this being a support for a long time back from the previous bull market, and right now we are at it again, which as well guys makes me believe that we're gonna see a major rally soon on Dogecoin. So here guys, this is the yearly high, the 2022 yearly high, and usually cryptocurrencies, they love going towards previous highs and previous lows, and right now guys, this could be the first target here on Dogecoin after this breakout. So if we zoom in here guys, we can see that right now Dogecoin broke out of that multi-year downtrend, and we've seen a retest here guys, we've seen a retest, and now we've seen a bounce, and so far here Dogecoin is not looking back. And since we left that support or this accumulation phase here, Dogecoin is not looking back, and we took that high as well here, which is important guys. So this high here is the confirmation that we left this accumulation phase here. So we've been accumulating for a long time guys. So this happens always in crypto right now guys, is the price starts to accumulate here, a lot of buys and sales start to happen, and wherever team wins, the price follow that trend. So here obviously a lot of buys were happening and the price followed the trend, which was to the upside, and right now that's what happened. We have a breakout. So the only invalidation here where we can say okay, this was a fake out and the price could go lower on Dogecoin, which is very unlikely, because you can see guys, we haven't been below these prices for more than 2-3 years here. We haven't been below these prices. So right now this is a strong support, and even if we get those dips here, this would be a real good buying opportunity here on Dogecoin. Nonetheless, right now guys, I do not think this would happen. As we can see right now, the whole crypto space is going on that strength right now guys, and as soon as people start taking profits from Floki and Pepe Coin, and Floki and Pepe Coin starts going sideways and accumulating for their own next move, we could see Shiba Inu and Dogecoin moving, and this what could happen here on Dogecoin. So the next area here of interest on Dogecoin, so this would be the breakout from that range, which is around here guys, which is around that 68-65, and this would be another entry here I'm looking at here on Dogecoin to target that previous yearly high, which is way above here guys, which is around here, that 1587 level here on Dogecoin. So that would be the first stop if we keep that breakout happening. So if we see a huge strength happening here on Dogecoin, this would be the first stop on Dogecoin, which is not a bad trade, guys. Here, if we look at this right now, guys, this could be a 127% pump. Now, so as usual, guys, there are gonna be people saying this is too much, a 100% pump here on Dogecoin. So let me remind you guys that previously here in 2021, that was a year ago, in October as well, we had the same rally here on Dogecoin. And we had Dogecoin rallying 180% in a bear market while all other coins were down, Bitcoin was down. Dogecoin rallied 180%. So this is not out of the norm, guys. That's why I'm really interested in that Dogecoin breakout. So you can see as well here, guys, look at this right now. So this was as well a breakout of that accumulation here. So the same thing we've seen here, we broke out, and then we've seen the price going up. So the same thing is going now here. We could argue that this is the high, or possibly this one here, this would be the real breakout, that the one we've seen here, and then price continuation to the upside. So so far here, this is my analysis on Dogecoin here. I pretty much think this could really rally to the upside. And remember, this is my humble opinion. As usual, nothing is financial advice. So just letting you guys, updating you guys with what I'm seeing here right now. Now, so far, this is the plan here on Dogecoin. So let's jump into Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu is very interesting, guys. So this was the time when Shiba Inu got listed on Binance, right? And this was the dip on Shiba Inu. We've been here, Shiba Inu has been accumulating on that level here for a long time after we've seen that breakout on Shiba Inu. Right now, we are seeing Shiba Inu back at those prices. So on my previous Shiba Inu videos, I told you guys a lot of people bought the top on Shiba Inu as usual, and probably they sold the dips right now here. They sold these bottoms. And the fun part here is a lot of people that bought here were wishing back then that they could have bought these dips, right? But right now, probably they are either not interested in the crypto space, or even if they are back, they will see this downtrend and they will think, all right, so Shiba Inu would never go back. This is too bad. So this as well tells me that here we have possibility of seeing a breakout on Shiba Inu as we are back to these prices again, guys. We are back to these levels here, and a lot of people here are fearful. A lot of people are not interested to buy, and a lot of people are scared to get into Shiba Inu here, and that as well indicates we could see some rallies here. And especially as well, guys, you can see we are at these bottoms of the bottoms from last year. The same thing with the Dogecoin that we are seeing here happening with Dogecoin as well. This multi-year support, Shiba Inu is the same thing right now. Isn't that multi-year support? We're still on a downtrend. Granted, we're still on that downtrend going here. But as I said, right now we've seen this. So let me hide that support. We're seeing the same thing happening where we're seeing an accumulation and an uptrend as well here. So for Shiba Inu, guys, for me here, guys, for Shiba Inu, if we do get any dips around here, guys, this would be interesting on Shiba Inu. Although we already got that, so around that 75 level here, but we already closed in on that. I'll probably zoom in closer here on that 4 hour or on the 2 hours. We can see here, guys. So Shiba Inu is probably going to run from here, guys. Probably ready to run. As we can see here, we have another uptrend going here as well, price not stopping. So probably we could see Shiba Inu running from here. Now any dips we could see from here back to their support and then back up here on Shiba Inu. So that's why, guys, you want to keep an eye on these. So when liquidity comes to a sector in the crypto space, it usually means all of those other coins are gonna start pumping. So when Floki started pumping, Pepe Coin followed, and then very likely we're gonna see Shiba Inu, Doge. Now recently we're seeing as well Baby Doge started to rally, Doge Elon Musk started rallying. So you can see, guys, all these meme coins are going crazy, guys. Now, especially the top 10 meme coins, guys, are going crazy. That means that the liquidity is flowing. So the logic here, guys, is usually at the end of a liquidity cycle, the money flows into the safest asset. So here on the meme coins, the safest asset is Dogecoin. We could all argue that the safest asset here is Dogecoin, valued at $10 billion market cap, followed by Shiba Inu and Pepe Coin. So whatever happens here, guys, whatever happens here down here would come back here up. So right now here so far only Floki and Pepe Coin have seen the rallies. That is why I am thinking Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are next, because they are the safest meme coins here, that after all the profits from all the meme coins are gonna flow back towards Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. So far here, these are the levels you wanna keep an eye on here, guys. You can as well join my Discord, link in the description is for free to join. I update you guys there as well. I as well share my day trades on that Discord group. And if you have any questions as well, you can leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer your questions. So far here, guys, this is the setup here on Shiba Inu. So as I said here, that 75 level, if we go back here, this would be massive to the upside, and the last level would be a continuation of that uptrend, which could be around that 68 level here on Shiba Inu, to see some rises to the upside, and possibly here Shiba Inu is gonna break out from here, as we've seen a lot of other altcoins are breaking out, and Shiba Inu could be no different, could be as well breaking out, going above here. And as well on Shiba Inu, we could target that yearly high, that last year's high, which is a 135% pump here, and that would be around that 1787. And for those that are trading derivatives, guys, you can check out FairDesk. You don't need no KYC, no VPN to join. As well, you get up to $35,000 bonus on your deposit to trade here. You can trade most of the altcoins here, guys, including Pepe Coin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Baby Doge, all the other altcoins. And as I said, you don't need no KYC to join this exchange. A lot of people right now are leaving Bybit. They're asking me which exchanges I'm using. I'm using right now FairDesk. You as well get a VIP 5 by using my link, which means your trading fees get drastically reduced compared to other exchanges. So for those that are interested, I'll leave you the link in the description. And as usual, guys, remember, I'm keeping you updated with whatever is happening in the crypto space. If you've seen yourself missing any pumps recently, know that, guys, I've been updating you on my channel. My followers have been getting the heads up all along here, guys, with the pumps that we're seeing here. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And as usual, this is my humble opinion, nothing is financial advice, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.